gossip, and everybody present, we welcome you for the very first General Muhoozi Kainerugaba MK Movement press conference. General advised that we should have these periodic conferences. At least we should have a conference every once a month or twice a month to clarify and also to let you know of our next agenda. Today's conference, we shall majorly focus on 2 or 3 items. One will be the Kyabazinga's wedding. Then the other one is the merger of all groups. And then the other one is the team building activities taking place throughout the country, especially the Kigezi team building activity, which will take place this coming Friday in Kigezi. We have a statement as regards to Kyabazinga. As you are aware, on Friday, on Sunday, this last Sunday, my brother Robert Kyagulanyi made a statement accusing General Muhoozi and his father of being behind his not going for the royal wedding. As MK movement, we want to categorically clarify this and distance ourselves from those baseless claims. General Muhoozi was not responsible whatsoever. He wasn't in charge of issuing cards. He wasn't in charge of making guests. He was also invited as a friend of Kyabazinga, and he was requested to speak as a friend of Kyabazinga on behalf of all of us, Kyabazinga's friend. Neither did General Museveni take part in allocating an invitation list. A detailed statement will be read by Honorable Mawanda. Are you doing Runyakitara? Are you doing Runyankore? Okay, do Runyankore, then I'll do English.
I will start with English.
You can't do 2. Do 1.
I can't do English. Our coordinators, our mass mobilizers, the forces state, the media, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. I have the honor to read to you, as already alluded to by Dr. Baram, a statement from the MK movement relating what happened at the Kyabazinga royal wedding. Allow me to read the statement verbatim. Good afternoon, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. As you are aware, His Royal Highness the Kyabazinga of Uganda Wilberforce Governor Diop the Fourth on 18th November 2023 got married to Queen Jovia Mutesi, the Inebantu of Busoga. The MK movement under the leadership of General Muhoozi Kainerugaba once again congratulates the Royal Highness the Kyabazinga of Busoga, Inebantu, and all the people of Busoga for organizing a colorful function. We wish His Royal Highness the Kyabazinga a happy marriage. We have scheduled this press conference to clarify on a few things. As MK movement, our attention has been drawn to allegations made by the President of the National Unity Platform Party, NUP, Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi Olwokulimba, that having earlier been invited by the organizing committee of the royal wedding of the Kyabazinga, President Museveni and General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, our chairman, made sure that he and other members of the party do not attend by deploying heavy security at the function. He further alleged that he had been contacted and warned not to attend the function on the instructions of General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. We would like to categorically state and inform the country at large that General Muhoozi Kainerugaba had nothing to do with Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi Olwokulimba's absence at the royal wedding, that the organizing committee of the wedding invited some members of the Central Committee of the MK movement, and the cards are here with us in our possession. Our chairman was invited as a special guest of the royal, that he continues to use General Muhoozi Kainerugaba as a reason for his own and doing and weakness, and we hereby dare challenge Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi to name the person who told him so. Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi should know that Ugandans have long moved away from the politics of blackmail, idle talk, and theatre. We would like to request our brother, the leader of the National Unity Platform, stop the politics of name-calling, insults, and telling lies about people who seemingly disagree with his political views. For long together with his new party, they have resorted to attacking and insulting anybody who challenges their views and deeds. They started with attacking the Cathedral of Buganda and the Nabagereka, accusing them of deliberately refusing to take His Highness the Kabaka of Buganda for treatment. They went on and demonstrated in the US, where the former Speaker of Parliament of Uganda had been thrown out for treatment. They have now resorted to insulting His Highness the Kyabazinga and the people of Busoga. This behavior is totally unacceptable, both traditionally and the present day modern times. Therefore, there is no need for Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi to abuse His Royal Highness the Kyabazinga of Busoga for not inviting him to the royal wedding. The MK movement therefore condemns this act and in the strongest terms possible and asks Honorable Kyagulanyi to apologize to the people of Busoga, friends of Busoga, His Royal Highness the Kyabazinga and Inebantu. Lastly, we would like to thank the Commander-in-Chief of the Uganda People's Defense Forces for providing enough security for the royal wedding, which continues to demonstrate the capacity of our armed forces amid so many challenges like the ADF. We do want to thank all Ugandans and institutions that supported the royal wedding. For God and my country, MK movement. Thank you so much.
Kati ngenda mu Luganda total silence. Basebo ne banyabo tubaniriza mu lukiiko lw'amawulire olwa MK movement olunaku lwa leero. Ntwala omukisa guno ku lwa MK movement ne ku lwa ssentebe waffe General Muhoozi Kainerugaba okuyozaayoza Inebantu Jovia Mutesi, Her Royal Highness wamu ne Kyabazinga His Majesty Kyabazinga William Wilberforce Nadiope owokuna olw'okukola embaga ey'omulembe. Ffe ng'aba MK movement batuyita era tusiima nnyo Kyabazinga okutuweereza kaadi entono ze yatuweereza. Twazeebaza nnyo era twakiikirira ku mukolo twaliyo. Mukama waffe General Muhoozi asaze atusabye tutangaze eggwanga tubabuulire ku bigambo ebyayogeddwa muganda wange Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi, President wa National Unity Platform, byeyogedde ku lunaku lwa Ssabbiiti nti yalemesebwa okugenda mu mbaga eya Kyabazinga olw'okuba nti Mwami Museveni ne mutabanyi we gwayita General Muhoozi be bamulemesa ne bateekawo security emulemesa. Security ya General Muhoozi oba security ya Mwami Museveni twagala kubakakasa tetulina nkolagana yonna, tetwalina mukono gwonna mu kakiiko akategesi mu kugaba kaadi oba mu kuyita abagenyi. Buli mugenyi yayitibwa obwa Kyabazinga bwa Busoga era ffe twagendanga abagenyi aba Kyabazinga wa Busoga. So twagala okutegeeza muganda waffe Kyagulanyi politics oyo ow'okwonoona amanya g'abantu okubayingiza mu bintu ebitabakwatako akikomye bunnambiro kuba ffe tetumwogerako, ffe tukola byaffe. So naye tubadde tumusaba afokasinge ku bibye ave mu nsonga ezitalina amakulu. Ate nekira tumusaba Mwami Kyagulanyi ne ttiimu ye alekeraawo okusponsoringa ba proxy. Omanyi ayina bu Hezbollah mu ttiimu ye obuvaayo ne buvuma abantu ne boogera ku TikTok ku kinga bavuma abakulembeze. Agamba abamuwagira bonna abamukkiririzaamu balekeraawo okuvuma Kyabazinga oba abakulembeze ab'ensikirano. Abakulembeze ab'ensikirano bantu bakulu nnyo, bayinza okuba batono oba nga bampi oba nga bawanvu, naye bantu bakulu nnyo ate gwe musingi gwaffe nga famire zaffe ez'enjawulo. Abakulembeze oba omukama wa Bunyoro oba omukama wa Tooro Kyabazinga wa Busoga, owa Japadola, owa Choli, owa Lango, ebitundu byonna byonna ebya Uganda. Kyanda ekirungi ne tubawa ekitiibwa ne tubajja mu cheap politics. N'ekirala MK movement esabye Mwami Kyagulanyi yeebuuze lwaki teyagenda kubanga tewaliwo road block ebuuza ani atalina kaadi niwe tebamuwa kaadi ali siyandize kuba mu gurupu bolobe nalaba abatalina kaadi bayingira naye webabanga kituufu bamuyita si musango gwaffe omulimu ogwakolebwa ekitongole kya UPDF gwali gumu kulaba nti embaga ebeerawo bulungi okulaba nti embaga tewabeerawo abagiteteganya so tetwalina mulimo gwonna era tutwala okwebaza okusima okwenjawulo eri omukulembeze w'eggwanga ali commander in chief olwa ekisooka okuteekamu ssente mu mbaga ya Kyabazinga ekyokubiri okumakinga sure nti ebitongole ebikuumaddembe biteekawo security emala so tukwebaza nnyo president okutuwa security eyo ate ffe ng'aba MK movement twesibiridde kutunda muntu waffe na biki bye tugenda okukolera eggwanga tukiririzibwa mu bunnansi nationalism tukiririzibwa mu patriotism mwoyo gwa ggwanga ate tukiririzibwa mu movementism mu movement eyo yakolebwa omukulembeze w'eggwanga General Museveni so tukubiriza abanafu aba National Unity Platform mugezeeko okukumakuma ekintu kyammwe ekiyise kubanga oyo politics w'okuvuma tetulina budde bwayo era tetujja kuvuma tubasaba mubeere balungi mukiriziganye n'abo ababavuganya mulime kubavuma ate muwa abakulembeze ab'ensikirano ekitiibwa era nja kusaba Mwami Kyagulanyi Robert ne ttiimu ye yonna mwetondera obwa Kyabazinga wa Busoga olw'abawagizi bamwe ebigambo ebibi bye bazze boogera kuvanga embaga eno ebeerawo kuva lwe mwasubwa okugenda ku mbaga tusiima nnyo Kyabazinga afunfuge wangalayi ise bantu wa Busoga.
Amda ngojin bika sabin to kolle jemda bashoni yu wakasa kwekla ko jemite oyin ko mutishet ni ko mi ko mutishika baka ni Busoga Wilberforce na diope ni ko mi ko muzanaje shenje kola Jovia mutesi ba ambashon binyole ko nget Kyagulanyi ogiwo kasla gawo our chief ni ba MK coordinator ika iyo kasla gawo kwa attending wedding le kujonde ngwatat mwinyanet ni migu mochoile mna attending wedding ambasheta abashon binyo amni kinget MK ago kwan Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ago Muhoozi Kainerugaba mine to mochoy mwinyanet ni mwaule ambasheta abashon binyo le mna kwa attending ne wedding amni kiche deploying gan sigare luget kumwinyanet ni dinyo rana mwa kwekle bikap sabin to koli Pulezidenti Museveni ago werin yile manakwingal gablana kuni jemda yaba shonu yu timuta MK jemda yang mochoile ngalekyo kongmate Kyagulanyi Robert nyo ni nyong gini gruputa nubi le mwinyan ngaleja kim nyogorit pa da yogi kasle ndeka ayo me abi kwaji mo spiria keteneto yogi kasla kaya ma abi kwaji spiria keteneto le gumulge kumate munyanet ni maula ka karatia so big up sabin tokkol jemda jayu jemda je supporting gane Muhoozi Kainerugaba ago yamba kwan so lo menta tokkol le menda je ngok munyan gablana ko nyagorit ba de Muhoozi nani ko nyagorit ba nani Kyagulanyi imagmatele mamu je ko kwate ningan ongatle always siyaset ni ngotoy Kyagulanyi le ngotoy siyaset ni ba munyanedi ngotoy siyaset ni berbera bigo ngotoy siyaset ni bay tribal dajak yu Uganda banda le gimaje majenan politics ni tribalism jemda banda siyaset nyo jemaje politics nyo promoting nationalism so brana makwele agenda ndi nyonyi bonda MK ambanda so brara workle ke tastake ke supporting an MK gabanda bashon nyo ko tubon go roman. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Amazina nyowendi retired Captain Damson Kivumba amazina ninyo retired Damson Captain Kivumba na Rugaruchiga Kigezi region sec members abari aha ni members of the press abije rizoba mwe bari kwija umwami Kyagulanyi sentamu agereza kushisha izina rya General weitu Muhoozi Kainerugaba yagezaho okushiisha izina lya Commander in Chief Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ngo bakagwanisa kureba ngo tiyali bataha abujenyi bwa Kyabazinga weitu wa Busoga obutumazire hatiya. Ebyo bishuba Robert Kyagulanyi n'abantu beye nibo bashutamire babiteka bayenda kubiteka mu mitwe y'abantu, mu members of the public, kureba ngo bayanga General Muhoozi Kainerugaba na Commander in Chief weitu. Ebyo byona ni politics ziteine mutwe na kibunu ezo kutuha kinte kitugobereire. General Muhoozi Kainerugaba no mukumi w'obusinje. General Muhoozi Kainerugaba arakunda Uganda yeitu na is a Pan-African and arakunda eminyeto. Nico murareba tuli activities zo kwihaye eminyeto. Waza kureba ibitworekera ati yatwino mukoro kanungu tukamara rukunde gume ho twayereka rukundo ya General Muhoozi Kainerugaba mukwakana bwo kutwigurira boda ya Katuna hati yaturiyo turaza kanungu. Ndashaba nti abanya-Uganda bona abinja bararuga kigezi munonga mwije hagwa katano ebirabire na bina tubuganire kanungu ekina kigambo omwizina rya organizing committee ya team building activities eriyo eragenda Western Uganda yona. So kigezi region tuli kanungu hagwa katano. Ndabashaba nti mwenda abanya-Uganda mwije tubuganeyo ebyakahuje ebyo mwami Kyagulanyi yari yarabiba n'abantu beye mutakabihurikiriza bitakatwiyahamuramwa ogwo kureba ngo twayombeka Uganda yeitu eyine 4 pillars za NRM: patriotism, democracy, social economic transformation na Pan-Africanism. Mwebale munongo kuturikiriza mureke tu supporting General Museveni na Muhoozi next. Mwebale munongo.
Now we are going to address the last thing, the merger. So dear senior journalists present, as you are aware, MK movement started with several units. MK Army, MK Avenger, Revolutionary Guard, Team Chairman, Team Chibuka. There were so many teams under MK movement. So with the guidance of our chairman, he decided to have one united force, and that is what we call MK movement. And our chairman is General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. So this is a message to all our fans, all our supporters countrywide. Do not be asked for registration fee. People are moving around in your villages collecting money that they are giving you membership cards for MK movement. MK movement has no member card. MK movement has people's heart. So our members are at heart. You only identify yourself as MK movement supporter by your heart. So please desist from giving away money or let nobody ask money from you for MK movement activity or for anything in the up country. Then recently the general advised that all activities relating to barazas be put to the stop, so that we focus on one by one basis as on when he can able attend. However, he cleared 2 activities, one this weekend in Kanungu, and the next one will be the last one will be in Fort Portal. That is Western Uganda. After those activities, all the other activities that are coming up, he will lead the way and he will attend by himself, and he wants to make them bigger and better, just like you saw Kavale, Soroti, and all the other activities we have attended. Then the other thing I needed you to know is we don't have any team anymore. All these teams were integrated into one MK movement. Finally, mu bantu baife abebusoga nenda twala mukusagu nokulwa MK movement okuyozayoza Kyabazinga wa Busoga, Kyabazinga William Wilberforce na Diope owokuna okutuka kumbaga enungi giyategeke ni mama wa Busoga ine bantu Royal Highness Mutesi. Abantu ba Busoga mwebali okutwaniriza omukolo twagwidyeku era twaidye nga batuwaire card. Tuli banji aye batuwaireyo kadi nga 5 oba 10, twaweza na kadi 10. Twaida twachikirira MK movement, twakulembeerwa mukama waife General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. Omukolo gwabere mulungi, twasimye ino engeri gye mwatwaniriza mu Abasoga, ate tuendeza Kyabazinga ine bantu ebirungi byerere. Aye twenda kuiramu ebintu ebyogerwa muganda waife Robert Kyagulanyi ayakobye nti MK ni baba we Muzeyi Museveni bamulemeseza okwida ku mukolo nti ayinza ekyendidi ayinza okuba nga tiyafuna na kaadi nga bamusuubiza abajamu abangi be basuubiza balo bafuna so nandi bairemu amagezi yandigire yakuba ekiji yayingira nga abantu be bayingire abazira kaadi so tumusaba tusoniwe era atwesoniwe ife tusobola mulumba kubanze mutwalanga muganda wange Honorable Kyagulanyi so nabo bayine bakola nabo bakobe abawagizi be babawagira bave mu TikTok okudyolonga n'okubisaamu amaiso Kyabazinga balekerawo okozesa Facebook, TikTok, Twitter nga bavuma iseife nenda bakitegeere nti bano abakulembeze b'ensikirano tibabulu tiba box aye baaliwo olwa kisa kya Katonda so tubawe ekitiibwa oba mukama wa Bunyoro oba mukama wa Busoga oba mukama wa Toro oba mukama wa Buganda betagisa tubawe ekitiibwa ekimala so abantu baife mwena abali edinda kasitama ategeere bano kye baliko benda kudolonga bwa Kyabazinga bwa Busoga aye ife tuli walala nimwe ate twala omukisa guno okuyozayoza Kyabazinga kulwa Muhoozi Kainerugaba movement ife aba MK movement twemerera ku bintu bina tuli ba nationalist tukiriza mu igwanga lyaife lya Uganda ate tuli ba patriotic tuli ba mwoyo gwa igwanga ate tuli ba movementist tukiriza mu system yakolibwa baba waife Yoweri Museveni tugoberera ebintu ebyo ate tulenda promotinga ni East Africa integration wetunamala ebyo ebisigaire bya kulwanisa bwavu na kulwanisa abatabe yebikado once n'abalemesa abasoga okuvuba okunanda y'obwerere so nebyo tujja okufokasingako tutwidda kuba na bwira mu batuvuma tutwidda abavuma baganda baife ate tukubiriza abawagizi ba MK movement wona gye muli mutalwana n'abantu batatuwagira mwogere nawo bulungi kino I think I will have to even tell you this in English. For those of you who support MK movement, please do not fight or abuse those who don't support us. Rather, we talk to them and we win their hearts to MK movement. We believe in nationalism, patriotism, and movementism. And the fourth thing we believe in is Pan-Africanism and East Africa integration. Then the core goal is we want everyone to be happy in Uganda. That is what we stand for. Iseve Kyabazinga afunvuwe.
Thank you, Chairperson. Okusokera yala nendo okusoka okusima obukulembeze bwa MK movement okubanga tuvireyo adina nendo okubebaza okubanga mwaida kumbaga ya mwenemu ate nga eyatukulembera ni mwenemu kusaidi ya MK. So ife kula ife twebaza mukulembeze waife okubanga ayenda amawanga gona etoro MK aliyo ebuganda MK aliyo ebusoga MK yaliyo ate MK mukwano gwa baba ino era mubali mubonanga ida enfunde eduwera abaire mulubiri abaire kamuli abaire buziga so tumwebaza okubanga embaga ife ajoyise ekitiibwa yabakumba geno nendo kwebaza ba chairman bonabona Honorable Mawanda Dr. Balam Lilian Katunji abamurekera kungaida ebusoga nga ate nize yali kabakyaza ngotule ku baba kubanga mu MK ebyebusoga nize abitwala ensonga ya muganda wange abasoga bamuweri na amweta ngobi kanisa yaife eyebugembe cathedral tiyali mu byakadi kasaba nga iri embaga etegeeza kugaita mpeta muki mu kanisa eze yafuna kadi ya kujja muki mu kanisa kadi bakoba atidda mu church bwe tuva mu church tujje ku reception so nze ndowooza nti muganda nge yandi bayatu etondera nti tumusoni wetu yasa kuidda kuba kombaga yetu aye ifa abasoga tukadaguza n'olwalira asokujja akyalira baba yamuyozayoza ya mukatu bali kutoka kubufumba butukuvu so enoti nsonga y'amaani bwabanga tiyasobola kweta bawalala ni side yefe ya MK ogotibuka musangu gwa busoga ife nga abasoga twayita buli omu era buli muntu yafuna kadi obati yafuna kadi emikolo gyali miki mingi emikolo gyali magombola gona osobola okusala wona ajja okoboti nze tidda kujja bugembe kanje ena mutumba ebusiki tidda asala kujja kanje eruka kanje emayuge ebuna so yona yali emikolo kusana ekirala so embaga yali ya busoga yona nga ya Uganda yona tulingirira ebigaita Uganda ebikulembeza Uganda ebitwala mu maiso tuleke kulingirira mikolo gyonka tuleete programs daife dizimba ki Uganda ebizibu by'Abannayuganda biriwo byetuwidde ffenna byetwetaaga ogemera awalala. Let us tube to meeting okwogera ku nkulankulana y'enguudo, twogere kusomesa abaana, twogere ku economy, twogere ku byamalwaliro. Ku lwaki twegemesa ebintu bino ebitono? We are national leaders. Let us look at issues nationally. Let us not look at issues in a myopic way. Tulingirire ebintu ebitugaita. So ife ngaba MK naddala ab'ebusoga twaniriza buli omu okwidda ku mbaga, embaga ekajja mu maiso. Baba akaliyo mu Lubiri akajaguza era olwaleero nsaba baganda bange abeesayidde nti muyidde tubaanirize muki mu Lubiri, embaga ekajja mu maiso. Ebyange biddaako mawo olwaleero.
Okay, thank you so much.